Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app. So first we're going to go to the app. You guys could download it from Play Store or App Store. Then you guys have to sign up or log in. If you guys have an account, you're going to log in. Then click on Wallet. Then you guys can click on More. Then next we're going to click on Withdraw. Then next we're going to select the token we want. We're going to select Worldcoin. Then we're going to select bank account since we're transferring to bank account. Then we're going to write the amount of money you guys have to withdraw. Then we're going to confirm the withdrawal by clicking on it. Then we're done. So this is how we do it. We also have different playlists on how to do tutorials. I hope you guys go and check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.